How to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest TikTok. So let's get started. So if you want to fix this problem where you can't find live access on your TikTok application and you want to fix that. So to fix that problem, what you have to do is to simply open up your TikTok application, then tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile icon, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. So before proceeding, what you have to do is you have to make sure that your account's age is more than 16 years old. So if your account is not more than 16 years, then you can't access that live feature. So just make sure that if your account age is below 16, you can't access the live feature. And the second is you should have more than 1000 followers on TikTok. So if you don't have 1000 followers on TikTok, then you can't access the live feature. And then check those two options, and after checking those two options, if that isn't the case, so your account is more than 16 and you have more than 1000 followers, but even though you can't access the live feature, that means you are in a wrong region. So there are some regions that don't allow live access. So what you can do is just simply use a VPN and then change your region. So after doing all that, you should access your live feature, but even if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply inside your settings and privacy, just scroll down, and after scrolling down here, you will find this option which is support and about. And inside that support and about section, you will find an option which is report a problem. Just tap on report a problem. After tapping on report a problem, just tap on this third option which is live, and inside that live, just tap on the first option which is hosting live. After tapping on hosting live, just tap on the first option which is live is suspended. After tapping on live is suspended, now what you can do is just simply tap on no and then tap on need more help. After doing that, now what you can do is just simply send a feedback to TikTok that you can't access the live feature. So by sending that feedback, you might access your live feature inside your TikTok application. So what you can do is just simply write that feedback and you can upload an image. So just tap on this image icon and upload the problem by taking a screenshot, and after doing that, just tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, you should access your live feature on TikTok. So what you can do is just simply type in I need help. So after typing in this message, what you can do is just simply upload a screenshot of your problem and then tap on submit, and that will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.